Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Motors and Blowers. Just got this in the mail the other day from Amazon. Looks like it's another review product from my friends over at ELEGIANT. Let's open the box. It looks like these are computer speakers. Or external speakers for anything, really. Instructions. Instructions? Forget about it. Nicely packed individually. Cool. Isn't that fresh? And because of technology, 3.5 millimeter standard USB input. These look great, huh? It's got individual volume control. I believe you can tap it for colors and stuff when you plug it in. Let's plug it in and see what happens. So on the back of my ELEGIANT LED selfie ring light, I have inputs for USB. I'm going to plug that in, and also I'm going to plug in this 3.5 into my cell phone. I'm going to stick the 3.5 into my phone, being held here. Got a couple of music tracks. As you can see, I plugged it in. Let's turn it on. Ooh. Alright, let's not do the volume too much. Look at that. I can tap it for different colors. And I think these move along with the beat. So you know what? Let's start a song. Okay, so I'm going to play one of the tracks that's on my phone. You guys might know this track. It may be familiar to you. So there you go. Really cool little speakers. I love the pulsing of the lights with the different colors too. It's fantastic. Now I can have some tunes in my garage while I'm working. Very portable, lightweight, convenient, and as you can hear, very clear and very loud. You have to control the volume from either here or your phone or both. Easy to use, plug it right in. Thanks a lot to ELEGIANT for sending me these speakers. I'm going to use these in the garage. If you guys would like these speakers for yourself, feel free to check out the link in the description below. Maybe I'll have a promo code in there so it could save you a few bucks. It sells for $22.99 on Amazon.com. Thank you very much, ELEGIANT, for sending me these items. Love to review them, and I love to show my subscribers what they're all about. Thanks a lot for joining me on this review video. We'll see you guys next time on Motors and Blowers.
Because the UPS guy screwed this up. I'm gonna
See you guys next time on Motors and Blowers.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.